Next time, I'm gonna hire a professional painter to paint this room. Okay guys, you guys can see, it is all done. It is all white. Everything is painted white in this room. Some of the walls I had to double coat and even triple coat for some of the areas. I used 3 gallons of paint, and man, this was really a lot of work. Oh man, I'm super exhausted. I just finished with the ceilings. So there are still some spots in the ceiling that are drying. It may look kind of blotchy right now, but I think in an hour or so it should look pretty good. Okay guys, I don't want to waste any time. Painting is complete. I did the doors, all the little tiny areas, okay, so that's all good. Now, I need to focus on getting the baseboard into this place here, okay? So I think I have decided, depending what I can find at Home Depot, is 1x4s. Okay, so I didn't really fix the bottom here. I know some of you guys gave me really great suggestions on how to fix it, and you know, most of you guys told me to, cut off the drywall here and take out the old stuff, but you know what? Ultimately, if it's gonna flood again in the future, I'm just not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna put like 1x4 baseboard, just cheap baseboard stuff here. Not just here, but all along the wall and all along this side as well, and over there and over there. Not in front of the closet, but also by the door there as well. Okay, so I'm gonna buy some baseboard. We're gonna go to Home Depot, and actually I need to buy a couple of other stuff. So I'm actually gonna replace all of the electrical outlets in this room. This house is from the 1970s or 80s, so these are really old electrical outlets. At Home Depot, I'm gonna find some new ones, maybe some white ones or black ones. I'll take a look at them and decide when I'm there. And as well, I need to find some kind of blind system that I can put right here. So sometimes I don't want the daylight, I can just put it right here and shut out the light. So something white or black. So we'll take a look at that at Home Depot. As well, I need to replace this light switch. I'm gonna find a new one. I'm not sure if I can get a dimming one or just a white looking light switch to replace this. And yeah, maybe, I don't think that is dimmable. I'm gonna go look at the specs later. But anyways, that's it guys. I'm gonna go to Home Depot now and find all of that stuff. Let's go. Oh yeah, these look way cooler. I'm gonna get 4 of these. $28 to $48, $48 to $84. This is what I need. The length of that window is 57 inches. Okay, I think this is all I need. Look at this, guys. Primed fiberboard. It looks like it's white though, so this may be good. So let's go back home. Okay guys, there we go. It's all done. Everything is painted. The light is in, double coated, sometimes triple coated paint in some areas. I changed all the electrical plugs, put in all the baseboards, cut them to spec. Oh, how does it look? I think this looks much better. I do have some small errors here. Looks like I'll just need to maybe nail this in a bit more, and I'll do a paint over here so it looks like it's like kind of filled in. And but yeah, looks like I did an okay job. Disclaimer, I am not a carpenter, I am not an electrician. Okay, I did put in all my own switches here, but I think anyone can do that. That's pretty easy. Thank goodness I turned off all the breakers. Good thing to note is these 4 electrical plugs, the black ones I just put in. Oh, let me know what you guys think of the black ones. I was gonna go with white outlets, but I was like, how am I gonna know where they are? So I thought I'd just do black, make it more easier for me. So I think it actually looks pretty cool as well as this black switch, which is just awesome. Yeah, the electrical plugs, they're all on one 15 amp breaker, so I have to watch what I plug into all these 4 together combined. It's on its own single breaker, so that's good to know. This light is actually on a separate breaker for the whole basement for all lights, so that is good. Yeah guys, so I am really exhausted. I finished painting the ceiling today, and that was pretty tiring. Plus I went to Home Depot, got the baseboards, got the electrical plugs, got all that stuff you guys saw earlier, and installed everything, and I'm exhausted. Oh, actually I didn't install the new blind system yet. So what I learned is I was gonna get a system that went under here and then went down, but then the lady that I was talking to said it might show some light on the sides here. Like if I did install something here and then brought it down, some light still may come through on the sides. I bought this pole instead just to show you guys. So I'm gonna have it over a little bit at the top here, over here, and then on the other side it's gonna go all the way over here as well. And then I'm gonna find some short, 22 inches or 24 inches height blackout blinds, so anything from the sun or outside will just be blacked out whenever I don't want to have daylight coming in. There might be some days where I need that. And of course, privacy as well. Okay, so that I will install another time. Oh, but yeah, the baseboards are in. That was a fun thing to do. My buddy let me borrow his air gun and saw as well. Yeah, I think I did an okay job. I'd never used those kind of tools before, an air gun. I believe it was an air saw or something, but yeah, I did some errors here. I'm gonna have to fix this later. I need to nail this in a bit more. The nail gun was a bit of an issue for me. I think it's just because I've never used one before. But yeah, I'm gonna have to fix this a little bit and maybe put some more nails on some of the baseboards here. But you guys can see, no more open gaps underneath, and it looks way better in my opinion. So guys, I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you for watching part 4 of my building my crypto mining studio. And oh, there's a mirror over there. I was meaning to get rid of that, but I'm just gonna put a soundproof panel there so I don't dox myself. You guys don't see me. So stay tuned for part 5, where I'm gonna figure out now what to buy in terms of sound paneling, in terms of tables, maybe some shelves. I don't know where I'm gonna put the tables. I need to figure out different lengths of the tables. I was thinking 6 foot by 6 foot, 2 tables, as this is 12.5 feet across here. Then it's 11.5 feet along this way, okay? So next video, we're gonna talk about that, and maybe I would love to get your guys' suggestions now. If you guys have any ideas what I should buy in terms of tables. And yeah, I'm gonna have my sponsor wall on this wall, and I'm gonna have the community wall on this wall. So I'm gonna print out all of the community members, like other YouTubers, on this wall, and I'm gonna put my sponsors on this wall, which I do have a few, and I'll let you guys know what's coming up, okay? So thank you guys for watching. Please let me know what you think. And oh yeah, I gotta figure out the internet too. Oh man, it's gonna go through that hole there. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.